Annyeonghaseyo. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Putri Amalia, CEO of PlusTreat with our tagline, Everybody Can Recycle. PlusTreat is a student-based startup who is started by our commitment to tackle the plastic problem together. First thing first, let me introduce you to our team. I am Putri Amalia, the CEO of PlusTreat, and I am currently pursuing my MBA and Master of Engineering. With my skill set in project management, I managed to run our team to reach our goal. And our CTO, Naufal Galia, is a tech geek who currently runs a beacon engineering company. And our product engineer, Sabila, is a junior engineering student who also teaches manufacturing system course. With our complete background, we want to invite people to take care about our environment and create more lively world. Okay, now I want to ask you several questions. Who loves to drink bottled water? And who currently brings bottled water today? And in this week, who currently drink bottled water more than 3 bottles? Okay, so many. So here are the challenges of plastic pollution. In our country, Indonesia, we are the 4th most populated country, and we produce 3.2 million of unmanaged plastic waste annually. So how about South Korea? From the data that we got, South Korea has 70,000 tons of plastic bottles consumed annually. We know that it is very hard to replace plastics in the first place. The use of tumbler is not very helpful since in the end, we also dispose it. We need a solution to prevent the leakage of this plastic bottle to the environment by stopping it from the first place, which is right from after we consume it.
You might heard about the other reverse vending machine, but our machine is different. We're sorting the recycling process into 3 steps. So first of all, in our machine, we collect the bottle, we turn it into flakes, and also we classify and store the flakes. So here's how our machine works. First of all, the user can scan the barcode or manually input the bottle brand into the machine. And second of all, user need to separate the label and also the neck of the bottle and then put it into assigned storage. Third, user place the plastic bottle into the bottle input. And from that point, the bottle will be stored in according to its color type in the above storage or above revolver. And after that, the bottle will be not pressed or shred until the upper storage is full. After the upper storage is full, the bottle will be pressed in order to ease the shredding process. And after that, the bottle will be shredded into the plastic flakes, and plastic flakes will be directly stored in the lower revolver. Other than just a reverse vending machine, currently we also come up with our mobile app in order to support our reverse vending machine. Inside our mobile app, we have several functions such as PlusTreat near you to track nearest reverse vending machines, and also track recycling history, and also to collect reward from your recycling.
In order to run our business, the risk is always there. So the first risk is about to develop our product. We have the support to develop the mobile application and the software itself. And then since we are receiving the several data from our company in form of personal information data, we have to concern about the data security for our customer. Secondly, the machine that we design is way smaller than the usual industrial have. So theirs will make the limitation for the part availability for our machine itself. The third, we still think about the transportations about our final product in the form of the flakes of the plastic bottle itself. The fourth is we still thinking about the business that we will be derived. So as the environmental development startup, we still think and we still hard to manage the revenue stream for our company. But we still have a consideration to use the impact-derived business model. And fifth is about the way to familiarize the society about the importance of recycling itself. So for the impact model for our business is derived from the Sustainable Development Goals point. The first one is the bottlers' responsible consumptions and productions. So we have to educate consumer for recycling, and then we have to increase research and development for about the technology for sustainable consumption and productions. And we have to increase recycling rate from it. And then we supported by several points for sustainable development goals. First is about life below the water. We have to concern and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resources. And the next is about the climate actions is to prevent, reduce, and collect the plastic from the environment. And last but not least, we have decent work and economic growth. So we have to minimize wrapper from the exploitation, such as scavenging waste for low returns. So PlusTreat can empower them to have better livelihood and then the opportunities to get better inflow. And then it can afford them to get more state income.
Here is our business model. PlusTreat will sell our machines to the targeted customers, which are enterprises such as F&B corporates, universities, government, and recycling companies. Since the machine will collect plastic bottle, we will give them incentives to the user. And then, we will recycle the plastic bottles responsibly. Our target customer in Korea consists of 60 manufacturers and 10 universities. It may seem too little, but if we play the math, if one manufacturer buys 10 products, our target sales become 700 products. In fact, they need more than 10 products. We target our machine to be used by more than 9 million of South Koreans in the age of 20 to 35 years old. Currently, we already have blueprint design, work in progress prototype, also social community through Facebook and Instagram. With our vision to create circular economy, this year we plan to build our first machine and network to our targeted customer. Then, we will do mass production and get stable revenue in the next 3 to 5 years. And for our long term, we hope that Asia countries are into circular economy and use PlusTreat as their recycling point. Within a year, we already strikes many achievements, and here we are now. We will help you to recycle in ease, and we will help public places to manage their waste. With PlusTreat, everybody can recycle. Thank you.